Hey guys, welcome to Whaler's channel. Today I'll show how to change your Android lock screen. On Motorola, there are two ways to change the lock screen wallpaper and info. To change wallpaper, long press anywhere on the home screen. Select wallpaper and choose the one you want. You can pick from your photos or pre-installed system wallpapers. To change lock screen visuals, go to Settings. Look for Home and Lock Screen. Select Lock Screen for all lock screen specific settings. Choose Live Lock Screen to pick what info to display. Select at least 3 interests to show. You can display news, sports, business, and more. You can also set up content display like messages. Set up sleep mode and media preview options too. Add a QR scanner, user's wallet, and other features. That's all for now. This has been Whaler. See you next time.